What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle. King Hussle X1M, King Hussle 2.0, The Hussle Family, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, and turn motivation into millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom of the description, all my social media links will pop up. All right, got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there. Got a lot of people keep getting scammed and y'all not paying attention. So please, get a FaceTime verification call or video before you send your money to anybody to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you're getting what you paid for, all right? So remember, I do not have any King Hussle Telegram. So if anybody out there is talking to a King Hussle Telegram, that is not me. Red flag. I can do Magic 12, any Clearwater 77, Black Hat Jones, that is not me. Stop sending y'all money to any of these King Hussle pages and then write me on my real page like I did it. That's the most goofiest thing that y'all gonna do. Pay attention, have more common sense, stop being thirsty, and come get this real sauce. And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So today we're gonna be talking about how you can start making you 50,000 to 100,000 to however much money that you want to make a month if you're a lazy person. Now, it's a lot of lazy people out there, and I know y'all gonna like this video. So if you a lazy person, you like to play games, you like to sit at the computer all day, and you like to hate, and you like to just troll, and you just like to do nothing, or you just got a job that you hate so much, I'm gonna show you how to sit there at your own seat, at your own house, and at least start making money to pay your bills and a little bit of extra money on the side, and vice versa, working that sicko 9-to-5 job, working somebody and being the S word. I ain't gonna say it because I don't know about community guidelines. They might not let me say slave, so I'm gonna say it anyway, slave. So boom. Everybody knows about YouTube, right? Everybody knows about Fiverr, but no one is really taking into accountability. Now, a lot of people like, oh, I don't have a backdrop, or oh, I don't know what I want to talk about. Oh, I don't have this, I don't have that. Listen, stop making excuses and make improvements. I'm sitting here making a video off my phone in my studio. You got people who make videos, GoPros, that work at McDonald's flipping burgers all day to get millions of views. Anybody can make a video about doing anything and get views and get paid. And the sick thing about it is, you don't even need 1,000 subscribers no more. All you need is 500 subscribers, 4,000 watch time views, and no community guideline strikes, and you can start getting monetized. How sweet is that, right? So, in order to start really making money on YouTube, you have to understand the science of YouTube. And a lot of people don't understand the science of YouTube because at the end of the day, it's a lot of ways that you can get paid off YouTube, either showing your face or not showing your face. It's called YouTube automation and it's called YouTube creation. Now, the difference between the two is one, you show your face, the other, you don't show your face. Maybe you want to do both. Maybe one works best for you. So, everybody knows about YouTube creation. You make videos. You could be about you going to ask people questions, relationship questions, talk about credit, reaction videos. Any video that you are creating that shows your face, that is YouTube creation. That's a YouTube creator. Now, with the YouTube automation, it's a little bit different because you literally have to do nothing, post a video, and start getting monetized and start making money. But it's understanding the science. And the science is, what niche are you going to start dibbling and dabbling in? What type of videos are you going to start doing to start gaining views, to start getting the attraction of new subscribers and fans, to start getting a high view ratio so you can start making money. Now, when we all start a YouTube channel, what are the first videos that you see when you first start a YouTube video? Exotic animals in Korea, overseas, tuna fishes, squids, sharks being captured and being cooked. That's on every YouTube channel when you first start a YouTube. If you don't have a YouTube account, those are going to be the videos that you see, right? And those videos get millions of views, right? Millions and millions of views. So if you're somebody that understands the science of YouTube, you would say, you know what? If millions of people are watching this video, why not make a reaction video or do a reaction video to this channel, to this video of this fish or this squid or this shark or this exotic animal being cooked and eaten and show my reaction to it, because there's already people watching this video without nothing. So why not give my reaction to it and get the same amount of views? And that's for people who want to be YouTube creators. Now, for people who want to do YouTube automation, there's a lot of different YouTube automation channels out there that you probably don't even know that's a YouTube automation. Let me give you guys an example. You got the rain videos, you got meditation videos, you got top 10 videos, you got any video where no one's face is being shown and it's a narrator. Basically, it's a YouTube automation channel. Or any video where nothing in your face is not being shown and all you hear is music or anything, that's a YouTube automation channel. Now, I know a lot of you guys see those YouTube automation rain channels. You probably are a victim of watching some at night. I know I am. And they get millions and millions of views that no one has to show their face, right? So you got to understand, if you have a 10-hour rain video and you're playing it at night and you're asleep for at least 8 hours, that whole video is going to play, which means your watch time view is going to be high, which means you're going to get paid more money per view. So let's say your watch time view is at 4, 5, 6,000. You probably gonna get paid $3-4 a view. Let's say it's at 17,000, 20, 22, 25,000. You probably gonna get paid $20, $25, $30 a view, which is way more. The longer someone stays on your video, the longer ads are being ran on your video, the more you're going to get paid. And if you got a 10-hour video that you're letting run and play with the whole time that you're asleep, you're going to have all the ads being ran on that video. You're going to have all the revenue from that video, and you're going to have a high click to watch revenue on that video on your channel, period. And you're going to get paid more money because more people want to watch that video because of the length, and so many people are asleep. It's an algorithm. You got to understand the algorithm. You see people making these weird videos on animals. You see people making top 10 videos on wrestlers and basketball plays, and top 10 YouTubers, top 10 anything, top 5 anything, right? All entertainment. You got people doing reaction videos on any and everything. All entertainment. And then this is the catch. This is the easy part. You got to understand, you don't even have to put in the hard work. You can literally go to Fiverr, outsource every video. Once you outsource every video, they will create the video for you, send you the video, and all you have to do is post it on YouTube. So if you're lazy and you don't want to do nothing, you don't want to create nothing, you don't want to do nothing, you want to pay somebody coins to create the video for you, and all you do is post it on your channel, how can you beat that? And the more you stay consistent with it, the more you start gaining attraction, the more you start getting subscribers. Now, the trick is don't buy one video, don't do one video, post and think you're going to get 1 million subscribers today. No. The trick is to get at least 10 to 20 videos done before you start posting. Because once you got those 10 to 20 videos and you start posting consistently, you got enough videos that you can be posting on and start creating more content and be staying consistent with so much content. So you dropping 3 to 5 videos a day, every day, you're going to start to become a part of the algorithm. More people are going to start seeing your videos. YouTube is going to start promoting your videos. More people are going to see you. And you're going to start getting subscribers. You're going to start getting likes. You're going to start getting fans. You're going to start getting the things that you're pushing out and what you need. Now, I advise you to find a niche that you like and is profitable, because there's a lot of different niches and you don't want to create a YouTube channel doing something that you don't even like, that you're not entertained with. So with that being said, understand the different niches. You got rain channels, you got meditation channels, you got top 10, top 5, you got ghost channel. You got so many different channels that all you have to do is go on Fiverr, outsource it, promote it, post it on YouTube, and you'll be good. All right, so if you're a lazy person, you want to start making 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, $80,000 a month or a year without doing nothing, just sitting on a computer, buying videos and posting them, tap in. YouTube automation, YouTube creation will definitely get you there. You don't need any backdrops. You don't need any fancy backgrounds. You don't need all this editing, creation, and all that good stuff. No, just be real, be you, and I guarantee you, you will succeed with the YouTube game. And the more you succeed, the more you stay consistent, you'll start making money, and you can take that money and invest into your brand, your platform. You can start getting backdrops and cameras and things like that, and the people will see the growth and they want to see it more. So make sure y'all tapping in, man. Anybody out there looking to get, oh yeah, shout out to all my fans, my subscribers, supporters, new and old, because without y'all there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going, y'all motivate me keep dropping sauce, and y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. So shout out to y'all. Anybody looking to get their credit lessons, you want to learn how to clean and build, get loans, lines of credits and credit cards, tap in, $600. Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Make sure those payments is on your balance when y'all see them screenshots, or I will not respond to you at all. Anybody looking to get basic lessons, it's going to be $600, one topic, FaceTime 101. Let me know the topic that you want to learn, and we're going to go there. I'm going to teach you. I'm going to teach you how to get that money. $600 Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Unlimited gems, $1,200 Cash App or Bitcoin payment. You're going to learn about credit. We're going to learn how to make thousands of dollars a day on social media. You're going to learn how to make passive income. You're going to learn about the CPN game. You can get the 8 cash cow method book, including the Cash App glitchy. I'm going to teach you about everything, all right? So $1,200 for the limited gems. Still looking for people for the production company. Still looking for actors, rappers, models, producers, cameramans. Tap in. Any rappers or singers looking to sign, looking to get reviewed, $200 music reviews. You don't got $200 to invest in yourself. Why should I invest $200,000 into you and your career? Make it make sense. Any beautiful ladies out there, any models out there, ready to work, ready to travel, ready to get this content out there. We're going to do a lot of skits, blogs, interaction with the fans, movies, music, plus more, all right? So make sure you got a good attitude. Make sure you could be corrected, because you can't be corrected, you can't be directed. I ain't got time for none of that, all right? So you're not trying to learn. We can't learn from each other. Teamwork make the dream work. I ain't got time for it, all right? So make sure y'all tap in. Also looking for a cameraman. Let's get to it. You got a good camera. You got good editing skills, FX effects, all that good stuff like that. Tap in. Content equals views. Views equals money. Easy as that. So let's get to it. Anybody looking to still get the Cash App glitchy or the 8 method play for $300, Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Make sure y'all follow the instructions. Make sure you hit me up on my Telegram. Or if you ready to get verified, you ready to get to work, make sure you send me them screenshots to my Instagram with the verification video with the screenshot of the $300 being your Cash App or Bitcoin balance, and we will get to work from there. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in. Make sure y'all following instructions. Y'all know how to get down any of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.